Hello my dear students, good morning to everyone. Today we discuss the fantastic topic, okay? Because this type of questions you can see in any competitive exam, okay? It's very familiar topic. Pass, fail, problems of percentage. So you have to deal with first the concept, then the questions, okay? So what's the basic concept? You can ask in the question that some percent of students passed in that subject, some percent of students passed in another subject, some percentage of students passed in both subject, okay? So which given as the both common, you have to calculate this first. Like in this question, in a class 60% of students passed in Hindi and 45% passed in Bengali. If 25 of them passed in both subjects, that means 60% student passed in students passed in Hindi, 60% students passed in Hindi and 45% Bengali, and 25% students both. That means there is neither 60% passed in Hindi, neither 45% passed in Bengali, because in 60% and in 45% those students are also added who passed in both subjects. So 60% and 45% are not the exact value given as passed in Hindi or passed in Bengali. So we have to, this type of question is have to done through Venn diagram, because this is very easy. Okay, so this is the field of Hindi, this is the field of Bengali. Okay, this is the field of Hindi, this is the field of Bengali. 25% students passed in both subjects, so this portion is for both. So 25% written here. 25% students are passed in both subjects. 60% students passed in Hindi. So 60% student passed in Hindi, 45% passed in Bengali. Actual percentage of students who passed in only history was 45%. Because 60% is not the actual students who passed only in history, or only in Hindi. They also simultaneously passed in Bengali, and 20% students are the only students who passed in only Bengali. Okay, so total percentage of students passed, total percentage of students who passed, 45, 46, 70, 80%, 45% plus 25% plus 20%, that means 80%. 80% students passed in the exam. So students failed in the exam was always 100% minus 80%. Total number of students always be 100%. So 20% failed. But what is the question? What percentage of students failed in both subjects? What percentage of students failed in both subjects? What percentage of students failed in both subjects? 20%. So 20% is the answer. Okay. Next question. In an exam, a candidate must secure 40% marks to pass. Suparna, who gets 220 marks, failed by 20 marks. So this question, now read. In an exam, a candidate must secure 40% to pass. That means pass mark was 40%. Suparna, who gets 220 marks, failed by 20 marks. Suparna gets 220 and failed by 20. That means passing marks was 224. and you are asked that 40% is the passing mark. That means 40% is equal to 240, and you are asked find the maximum marks. That means 100%. So 1%, 240 by 40, 100%, 240 into 100 by 40, 660. So full marks was 600. Now, very important question. In an exam, 48% students failed in Hindi, 32% students in history, 20% students failed in both subjects. So you have to first draw the Venn diagram. This is for history. This is for this is for Hindi, this is for history. 20% students failed in both subjects. So 20% students failed in both subjects. 48% students failed in Hindi. So you have to minus 20% from 48 to calculate the actual Hindi failure students. So 28%. And 32, that means here 12%. Okay. So total percentage of failure student. Total percentage of failure students: 28%, 20%, 12%. That means 60%. So 60% students were failed. Percent of past students was 100% minus 60%, 40%. How many students appeared in the exam if the exam consisted only 2 subjects? So 40% students failed, and if the number of the students who passed in the exam 880, so 40% equal to 880, 100% equal to 880 into 100 divided by 40, 0. So 2200. Number of students who appeared in the exam. Number of students who appeared exam in the 2200. Next question. 72%. Next question. 72% of the students of a certain class took biology. So 72% biology, and 44% took math. 44% took math. Okay. If each student took at least one subject from biology or math and 40 students took both subjects, then what is the total number of students in the class? So if you add 116%, but 116% is not possible. Okay. 72% students accept biology, 44% students accept math. But among these 70% students, not only the biology taking students. Okay. You can say that 40 students who took both subjects. These 40 is also added in 72% and also added in 44%. So you can get 16%. If you subtract 100%, 16%. These 16% students are the extra students among these 40. Okay. So value of 16% is 40. 1%, 40 by 16, 100% equal to 40 into 100 by 16. Okay. So 250. Total number of students in the class is 250. That is done today. In next video we will discuss more conceptual questions. Okay, so thank you and please subscribe and share my channel and keep connected with me. Thank you.